The best student has an opportunity to acquire a scholarship. My technique is to understand the sentence while writing the first letter of each word. A campus tour is beneficial at the beginning of each term. The library offers study rooms, computer access, and research assistance services. Regular exercise promotes physical fitness and reduces stress levels in students.